This is about the tiny house with split level of flooring in this room inside. We can see about the exterior look. It has several elevation of the floor. It has rooftop right there, and the bottom of the rooftop has a living room and kitchen and some space of this tiny house room. Anyway, we can see about the another side. This is about the left side of this tiny house. It has corner window of the small bedroom right there, and we can see also for the right side of this tiny house, it has unique shape of the corner room right there. And we can see about the another side of this tiny house. It has storage space right there in the bottom of the room. Anyway, we can see about the storage space like this, and we can see about the outside of this tiny house. It has several window arrangement with a multi-function room right there, and this is about the corner window of the right side of the house inside. Anyway, okay, we can see for the aerial view. We can see for the aerial view of this tiny house with rooftop in the center position right there between the two roof, two metal roof area right there. And we can see for more about the inside and interior position. Anyway, okay, this is about the interior of this tiny house. We can see for this outside and furniture arrangement and interior arrangement of this tiny house. Anyway, in the center room has several and small living room with several chair and table and small table, and it has near to the outside window right there, and it's near to the kitchen area and cabinet with a kitchen table, cabinet in above, and the refrigerator space right there. And we can see for the ceiling area, it has several kind of the ceiling texture with a lumber ceiling and a white flat ceiling texture. Anyway, and for the kitchen itself has small window to make enough daylighting over there. Okay, we can see and look for the bathroom, the small bathroom right there. It has small bathroom with the arrangement of the wastafel, toilet, and shower cabin right there. And then we can look around for the another room right there. We can see for the another room. We can just walk through this next room. It has several step. It has a several staircase right there with 4 step, and it makes a different level between the ground floor and the split level of the bedroom on the right side area. Okay, we can look for the right side bedroom first. Yeah, okay, this is about the bedroom on the right side of this tiny house with corner space, and the corner space has been usable for the wardrobe and cabinet right there, as we can see about it. And we can look around for the another window in the front and the back position of the window. So this room, this corner room has enough daylighting anyway. And we can look for the another side of this tiny house. It has a staircase with a cabinet on the space, so it's so useful space on the bedroom. And this is about the small bedroom area. This is small bedroom area with a little window in the front and the semi-large window in the back area. Okay, we can see about the exterior and of the rooftop of this tiny house anyway. Okay, this is about the exterior of this tiny house. This is about the rooftop of this tiny house with small dining area or small outdoor dining area with 2 seat capacity. Anyway, maybe it could be expand to be a 4 seat capacity of the rooftop space right there. Okay, we can continue to see the next room in the left side of this tiny house. Okay, we can continue to see about the next left side of this tiny house. We can go back to the another room right there. Okay, now we can see about this room area. we can go inside right there. Okay, for the first step, it has multi-level flooring on the left side of this tiny house with a wardrobe area, a window, and another corner window right there. Okay, and this is about the small bed area. Anyway, this is about the small bed area with face of the corner window right there, so it's so clear enough and so bright enough on this small corner bedroom anyway. And on the back area has a cabinet space or wardrobe space right there. Okay, I think it's enough. That's all of this room tour of this tiny house, and thanks for watching. I hope it will be inspire and insight to all of you, and just wait for my next video. Thank you.